Hello guys, welcome to Take the. In this tutorial we are going to use the toggle button. Here I will name this one application as toggle button demo. Okay, let me first minimize this one window and also switch to full screen here. First of all, we have to add toggle button component to activity main.xml file here. Delete this one toggle button component here. It's one of the properties that we can set the text for on and off state. Text on state we will simply name it on, and for off state as off. Okay, and let me give an ID to it. We have to add another attribute called checked, and here we can assign either true or false. Here I will assign true. Here the root layout is constant layout, so here we have to add a constant to this one component here. Layout constant top to top of parent, and also left to left of layout constant left to left of parent, and similarly for layout constant right to right of parent. Here I will give a margin of layout margin top roughly to 90 dp here, looking good. I will add another button component, assign an ID to it. It will simply check the status of this one toggle button. Copy this one constraint. This will make it appear horizontally center of the screen, and for vertical constraint we will be adding layout constraint bottom to bottom of parent, and also add another constraint here, layout constraint top to top of button toggle button, and let's preview it in design view. Okay, we will assign also a text attribute here. Move to Java file here. Define a function to declare the button component used in activity file here, and let me add toggle button component also, and on quick listener method here simply apply find view by ID. Here go to refactor section here and simply click on the rename here, and instead of check status, here we will assign it as button status, and do the same for here toggle button. And now we will apply on click listener method on button status dot set on click listener new view on click listener, and a function will be generated. Here simply we need an instance of a string builder object, so create a new string builder object here, string builder, and I will name it result. Create an instance of it, and now append here, also append in another string here, that will be a toggle button dot get text dot to string. Okay, and now we will display this one is result string to our toast object. So you will create here toast dot make text get application context here. Here the string will be result, and the duration will be toast dot length long, and don't forget to apply show method. Okay, and now simply add this one function to your on create method of activity file, and now it's time to preview this project on emulator.